Hey you guys, it's Alexia here. Welcome back again to my channel. I miss you guys so much. I can't believe we're doing another video again. It's been a while and I miss doing this kind of setup, you know. So today we are going to do a haul because I bought a bag during my Baguio trip. And I wanted to share this with you guys because I know that a lot of you would want to buy a luxury brand bags like Gucci. So I was strolling around SM Baguio and I saw this bag in the Celine store, and this reminds me so much of the Gucci jockey bag. If you guys don't know what it looks like, I will insert a picture here. So I saw this particular bag, and the moment I saw it, it reminds me of the Gucci jockey bag. When I saw that, I said, I want that. Like the moment I saw that bag, I wanted it right away because it really looks like the Gucci jockey. So today we're going to do an unboxing of this bag. So this is the paper bag. So I bought it from Celine. I already opened it and I already used it. So it comes with a dust bag and let's open it. It looks like this. There's no more plastic already. I removed everything because I already unboxed this bag in my TikTok, and also I've already used it. So this is the bag. This is what it looks like. See, it really looks like the Gucci jockey. As in the moment I saw this, that was on my mind. That bag popped into my mind. So this is what it looks like. It's really pretty, and I'm gonna show you guys how I styled it. It can be a handbag. This is the front part and this is the back part. Just has this little print with the Celine logo. Open that. There is a zipper here. It's already open. I'll close this for you. So there. So when you open this, there's like this zipper there. It also comes, by the way, with a sling. If you guys wanted to use it as a sling bag, then you could just attach this. The sling is adjustable, like it has this. So I'll just put this sling here so you guys could see what it looks like. Okay, so there. It looks like this. Then the sling. Use this like this. You could use this as a sling bag. You can use it also as a handbag. I'd probably use this more as like a handbag more than a sling bag. I'll also use this sometimes when I want it to be a sling bag. Let's go back here. When you open it, there you'd see like this two compartments over here. And then you also have the one in the middle. Then in the side, like this is the front bag, and the side you will see like a pocket here. The back side, you will also see it here that has a zipper, another zipper. This is actually it for the bag. It really looks nice. It's really pretty. There are 3 colors of this one. So this is the white one. There's also a black and a brown one. I just got the white one because it really reminds me of the Gucci one. There's specific that I saw in Tony Sia's Gucci jockey bag that remind me so much of this, and so I got it. And then instead of like this Celine logo, Gucci color here. Anyway, so yeah, that's it with this bag. Like this is really intended to be inspired by that Gucci jockey bag. I'm not sure, but I think it really is inspired because it looks like it and it's so pretty. There are more other inspired bags by Celine, but now they're really into getting into that game, leveling up with those high-end brands. So if you guys want, go check their store out. This is not sponsored. I'm just really happy with my purchase, really inspired by these high-end brands. So if you guys want some dupes or inspired bag, go check them out. If you want quality bags, locally branded bags, then go check them out. That's it for today's video. I just really want to share what I got. That's it. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video, this unboxing, this review. If you guys want more contents like this, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what kind of videos you want me to make, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell below if you want to see more of me. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.